So you made it through 2021. And perhaps have given some thought to this new year being the one where you finally implement privacy practices to protect your information online and off. You can start your journey to get private in 2022 by beginning with the installation and use of these 3 primary and free digital privacy tools. Creating individual and complex passwords for every online account you have may be the most important security step you can practice, but most people fail at this because they find it daunting, and so reuse passwords or use simple variations, both things that weaken your security. LastPass makes it simple to create and store passwords as well as other information into your encrypted online tool, accessible on all your devices, platforms, and through your internet browser. See the video link in the description for a complete walkthrough. There are a lot of encrypted email providers, but protonmail is my recommendation. End-to-end encryption may be its main benefit, but password protection, visibility time limits, and a number of other features make it a standout. See the video link in the description to learn more. Not just an encrypted text messaging app, Wire provides voice and video calls as well as file sharing. Also, the company being based in Switzerland gives you the additional security of EU data protection laws. Getting your friends to use the app might be the hardest obstacle to adoption, but emphasize that when creating your account through a browser allows you to not link your information to your cell number, something other privacy-focused messaging apps don't provide. A link in the description will direct you to my online course that goes into more detail on these 3 tools as well as much more. Email info@ndsprivacy.com for a discount code.